Honestly, this day is starting out mad crazy, right? First of all, the girls had to sleep down here. That's how scared everyone is of whatever's going on with our house right now. Honestly, y'all, I'm gonna let Camaro explain this to you guys because it just keeps getting weirder and weirder.
So like, I woke up and I'm hearing these two voices repeating over and over again. And I walk in my room and like, I hear it more clear, but I don't know what it's saying. So I go to the girls' room and I thought it was coming from Callie. So I walk into Callie's and I go to Kira's and I hear it. And it's like what I'm singing, like, ha, or something like that, right? Yeah. And then another voice comes on and goes like, Myra, be quiet, you're gonna wake up the humans. And it's repeating over and over and over again.
Yo, that's the craziest thing.
From Alexa.
From Alexa. So what time was this?
Like 5.
5 a.m. Alexa's speaking with herself, singing in a creepy voice, and then telling another voice saying, Myra, don't wake up the humans?
Yeah.
Bruh, how did you feel when that happened?
Bro, I was just like, what the hell?
Bruh, you guys, what the heck does that mean? Bruh, so the girls literally had to sleep down here because that's how weird this all is right now. You guys good? Anything weird happened down here?
No, just the dogs barking.
The dogs were barking when? In the middle of the night too? Bruh. Kira, anything weird for you?
I was sitting up in the middle of the night.
Oh my gosh.
She was sitting right there in the middle of the night.
Where? Right here? Sitting up?
Fast asleep.
You were fast asleep? Alright, at least one of you slept good. Bruh, what about Bougie? Did she do anything?
Yeah, they were both barking.
She was barking too? T-Squad, honestly, not even trying to be dramatic, alright? This is weird. This is definitely weird. We're gonna have to investigate this. Camaro, how did you get it to stop? Like, you told it to stop and it stopped?
I just told Alexa to turn off.
And she turned off?
Yeah.
Okay, next time if that happens, don't tell it to turn off. Come and get me, because I wanna get video proof of that, because that's actually crazy.
I got you.
Yo, show me one more time. How was the singing?
It was just like a ha. Like,
yo, that's so weird. Can't lie though, the couch, it looks like a comfy sleepover. Was it like kind of fun sleeping down here? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Callie, should I give them a hairline update? She's so over me, y'all. Yo, you guys, Bougie? Y'all know like the cliche how the small dog is usually the aggressive one? Like, she's super sweet, she's just playing, but like, guys, she is constantly the one going at Nala. And Nala just allows it. She's so cute with her, girl. Yo. What? Oh no.
She's still kind of sore.
Yeah, Callie, tell them why she's sore.
Because she got some shots, I think the rabies shot.
Yeah, she got shots here.
To make sure that she doesn't get rabies.
Like off feet. So it's still like kind of sore like my thing at my play date.
Yeah, you fell at the park, right?
When I was doing the monkey bars.
When it happened?
Nope.
She fell off the monkey bars. That's pretty intense. All right, y'all. So me and Callie are gonna tell you guys about our obsession. We have the same addiction. We have the same addiction. We have the same obsession. Should we show them? Bro, it is bad, y'all. It is really bad. I've never really been addicted to anything in my life before this. Okay, maybe a few things. Like maybe I get addicted to working out, work. I'm a workaholic. But this is actually a bad addiction. Callie, here, take it. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. Oh, okay, let's just.
You guys got another pack?
Yes, we got another pack, bro. We are addicted to Dubai chocolate. Oh my gosh, take it out of the pack. Let's show. If you guys don't know about Dubai chocolate, oh my gosh. All right, we gotta take it all the way out of the package. Can I take off that plastic for me? All right, so this.
Look how beautiful.
Oh, it's a piece of art. Like, you guys, it's the best. I think it's Belgian chocolate, I believe. The best chocolate in the world with like crusted baked pistachio on the inside. That might sound weird, but it's like the best combination ever. The best chocolate in the world. Look how big and rich this is.
You guys need to find.
Y'all need to try it. Facts. So guys, we're gonna have a little bit right now, even though it's first thing in the morning.
Hi.
Yeah?
Do not hide it with your front teeth because your front teeth might break.
Mine would definitely break. Kiki's right. I got veneers. I can't bite this with my front teeth.
Addy had teeth surgery.
That's true. I did have teeth surgery, y'all. Who's getting exposed? You know, we vlogged that too, though. Let me know in the comments. Did you guys see the videos years ago when me and Keish got our teeth done? So Kiki's right. You saw those videos?
I saw it.
This piece.
All right, here we go, y'all. Hold on, let's show you guys like this. You kind of eat it together, but this piece just came off. So look, you can see the inside. Oh my gosh.
Pistachio filling.
It's just too good to be true.
Just too good.
Kiki's pissed because Kiki's upset because Camille got the big piece. You took the biggest one, bro. Look how big that is. Look at this one. That's a big piece.
Mine is smaller than yours.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bruh. Kiki made a tower. You guys go try Dubai chocolate if you can find it. It's not that easy to find. All right, T Squad. It is several hours later in the vlog. Kira, no, close that. Close that. It is several hours later in the vlog. How was school?
Good.
Yeah? Kira, how was school? So, Callie, I have a special surprise for you over here. Walk this way. There's something very special under here. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. More Dubai chocolate. Dubai chocolate before school, Dubai chocolate after school.
Can I have one with the thing on top?
Yeah, I ate the top.
Okay, I really want something.
Guys, I do feel bad though because we're showing you how real our addiction is, and there's someone in the family that can't have it. Babe, there's so much good things you can't have. I want to find a way to actually get rid of your allergies. I heard it's possible.
Really?
I heard there's like some doctors, only a few in the world. There's some doctors in the world, like a handful, that actually claim that they can heal allergies.
I want to see that
But we have
because
to
I haven't
find
been
them.
able to have a lot of things for a long time. So if I can have some pistachio chocolate so I can be like, oh, it's so good with you guys, that would be nice.
That'd be nice, right? Yes, Kira?
Cannot have anything but peanut.
I know. Babe, real quick, list off all your allergies.
If I can even remember them all, I'm allergic to cats, I'm allergic to mold, I'm allergic to hay, pretty much all nuts except for cashews and almonds, flax seeds, sesame.
I just ate some chocolate.
You're allergic to Kiki. You're allergic to Kiki right now.
No.
Okay, what else? Sesame oil.
Sesame oil. Thank you, baby. I think I'm allergic to onion, apparently. I'm the most recent food allergy test. Onion.
What?
And I cut onion and put it in everything.
Wait. And pineapple.
And pineapple.
Okay, recently pineapple has been tearing up my mouth. So before I used to eat pineapple and all that stuff, I can still have pineapple juice, but eating pineapples for some reason, it makes my mouth raw.
Dang, so you're getting more allergies as life goes on for you.
Yeah.
Y'all, that's crazy. I'm allergic to absolutely zero, so I cannot relate. But drop in the comments, do you?
Are you allergic to mosquitoes?
Yes, you are.
Because it swells more.
It gets really swollen. Yeah, for Kira, when she gets a mosquito bite, it gets really swollen. She is allergic. But anyways, guys, drop in the comments, do you have any allergies? If so, let us know, what are you allergic to? You guys, this just might turn into a real craven big back episode on the Rush fam, y'all. Because when I say that we are craving today, Callie, are we craving today? So we about to try something, y'all, for the first time ever. We heard that this is good.
So basically,
yeah, you
let
show
me
them.
tell.
You tell them, girl.
My friend at school, so I saw her eating some Tostitos, but instead just plain, she had the lime ones with egg salad.
With egg salad. So we just made some egg salad.
And we're gonna try it out.
We're gonna try this out, y'all. Hint of lime Tostitos with some egg salad. And your boy chefed it up, right? Ooh. All right, let's see.
Okay, I'm gonna try first.
Yeah. It's actually good? Your face shows that it's good.
Mmm. Oh my goodness.
That's actually bomb. That's actually bomb, bro. That's actually bomb, bro. Yo, we just discovered something, y'all. Wow, yo, it's actually lit. It like not just saying this for the vlog. That's crazy.
So good.
Emergency, y'all. There's an SOS happening. Hey, what happened? What happened to your face?
Basically, I'm doing this thing for school tomorrow. I don't want to say it. I just need to get this off. And I realized the lip gloss or lipstick was super stay.
Super stay lipstick. Bro, I thought you were designing a shirt. Why is it on your lips?
It's a type of design.
Bruh.
It's gonna sting me.
Oh my gosh. All right, so we're gonna go upstairs and we're gonna show you. You finally got it off? Let's see. I mean,
My lips are still
it's
red.
still like a little bit, but you look a lot better than before. So we're gonna go upstairs and see what exactly Callie was doing. I think I know what she was doing to get this all over her face, y'all. All right. Oh, I see it now. All right, so Callie, before we show them, tell them what you guys are celebrating tomorrow.
The 100th day of school.
All right, so considering that, so it makes sense. That's actually fire. So now when you remove the tape, it's like 100 in kisses.
Yeah, but guess what?
That's fire. What's up?
I have another lipstick to go.
Oh, you're gonna do more. All right, so.
2 shades.
But are you sure your face can handle more?
This one, I don't think it's like permanent, so I should be good.
All right, bet. All right, we're gonna give you guys an update after the next lipstick. It's looking really good though. I think it's fire already. Callie's currently doing the second round of kisses right now. But I just want to take a moment to talk about how creative Callie is, y'all. And she's been like this ever since she was a little kid. Like I'm talking really from even younger than Kira's age. Like probably when Callie was like 5 years old, 4 years old. She was always into arts and crafts. She was always very creative. And she hasn't stopped, y'all. She's now 11 years old, still super creative. And I just think it's a very cool thing to see. I mean, obviously she's my daughter, so I'm a little bit biased. But I want to say she's one of the most creative people that I know, like straight up. I'm looking at it right now before we give you guys the final reveal. It's just different level of creativity. I literally could not have thought of
I
this.
saw it. I've seen it on like a place before.
Oh, you got inspo from somewhere. That's all right. It's reminding me of like a car wrap or something. But we're going to see the finished product in a second. All right, guys. She's making great progress. She's almost done. But Callie is stressing out right now. Why are you stressing out?
Because I have to put back on the...
She has to do some important touch-ups, right? And she has to put back on the red lipstick. Now you gotta put more, bro.
This is my enemy.
Bro, this is all your idea. We should put the red lipstick on Nipsey. Just kidding, boy. We wouldn't do that to you. Oh my God.
It's gonna be hard.
All right, guys, stay tuned. Oh my gosh. You guys, Kira's putting on the red lipstick.
I didn't tell her that it doesn't come off easily.
Let me see your face, girl. Let me see. Wow. Now you're making a shirt too? Wow. Wow, looks good, girl. All right, you guys, Kira just found out something about this lipstick.
This is a stain little lipstick on here.
This?
It's a stain lipstick.
Do you want this to take it off?
Yes. God, I did not know. I was just. That is for women, it's not for us.
Yo, Kira's like, you set me up, bruh. That whole vibe was like, you set me up, huh?
No, Callie
What do you do to this?
did not.
Why do you put water in it?
It was wasting.
Bro! Look!
All right, guys, it's time for the reveal.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, let's go. Let me get a close up.
It took forever.
You did amazing, girl. That's super good. I love it.
Thanks.
All right, guys, so we told you at the start of the vlog, or Camaro told y'all, about the creepy voices, all right? Apparently it was Alexa singing and then also talking to her. I mean, we told y'all, talking about you're gonna wake up the humans. Very weird, very creepy. So, of course, my wife always got the good ideas. You had the good idea to try to capture this on camera.
Yes.
So we're gonna be setting up a camera in Kira's room tonight. Where's it going, babe?
It's gonna go.
Actually, hold on, before you do that, this is the Alexa, right?
Yeah.
So this,
Why isn't she lit up right now?
I don't know. This is it's plugged in too.
Alexa,
What?
Talk to her, Kiki.
Alexa, play.
Here's a mix for you on Amazon Music.
All right, it's definitely working.
Alexa, play It's I Drake on Apple Music.
That's your bedtime song, Drake?
I guess it's Key by Drake from Apple Music.
She's acting weird. Usually she's already lit up. Something's
Yeah,
wrong.
she's acting weird and she's like talking and then going black dark. This is the exact way she was left since the thing happened. So I think we're just gonna leave it as is. We're gonna put the camera over here, right?
I am not sleeping in here.
Now you're not sleeping in
Now
here?
you're not gonna sleep in here?
Boom.
All right, better do your
I'm
job.
not sleeping in here.
Why?
Because I'm scared.
I love your room without the bunk bed because I can actually wake you up in the morning without having to strain myself.
Okay, but I don't want to get nightmares in this creepy room
Okay, well, where are you gonna sleep then?
with Nana because she has a bigger bed than me.
Okay, did you ask Nana?
Well, that's correct. Oh,
Oh my.
God.
Be careful with them hangers, girl.
All right, T-Squad, so we are ending this vlog the way we started it, all right? So y'all remember the very start of this vlog, we woke up to the girls sleeping down here, and it's happening again tonight, y'all, and I do not blame them. Upstairs is just too weird right now. We're gonna try to capture it on camera. Down here, it just feels a lot more cozy, all right? They're sleeping together, they got the dogs. Me and Keisha sleep on this floor.
To sleep right now.
No, she's actually sleeping.
No, she
I can
was
tell.
just awake.
No, she's snoring. See?
See her? She's smiling. That's why her mouth. See? You saw that?
Yeah. Yo, that's the alarm. Why's the alarm going off? Yo, the front door is open.
How's it even unlocked?
Yo, that's weird. Come here, check the garage door. Kiki's room. Yeah, she was sleeping. All right, so Kiki's sleeping. Keisha and her mom went out tonight, so they're out and about. That means we got the house to ourselves, y'all.
already know,
What we
bro.
gonna do? What we gonna do, y'all? Movie night?
Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Or
Snacks
should we do
too.
something even more fun?
What do you mean? What?
Yo, when's the last time we went on a late night drive?
Yo, I'm so down. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah,
right now.
y'all down?
Let's go.
Yeah? Where
Yeah.
should we go? No, what about Kiki though? She's sleeping. All right, movie night.
Yeah, movie night.
All right, bet. But yo, who's choosing the movie?
Me, bro.
You guys always be fighting
I got
about
the best movie
this.
choices.
Bro, me.
You guys always be fighting
I have
about
the
this,
best
bro.
movie choices though.
You guys, if you have multiple, if you got a brother or a sister, if you have siblings, or if you're a parent that has multiple kids, let me know what your kids be arguing about. For us, it's the front seat, who gets the shotgun, or who gets the window seat, or who chooses the movie.
We always know I get the shotgun. Like, I mean, so for real. I always get the shotgun.
That's
See,
it
look
for
how they're going at it now,
I get the window seat because sometimes, or like when we're just going out, I
Yeah.
call it first because I'm just
Because I call it first.
Yo, what voice was that, bro? That was your Callie impression?
Just mocking her.
Yo, did you hear his
Hey,
Callie
yo.
impression? Let's hear your Camaro impression.
Yo, I'm Camille. I'm the nonchalant redhead, and I want to be so nonchalant.
Yo, that's the alarm.
Why's the alarm going off? Yo, there's no one else here. What the heck? Yo, the front door is open. Yo, why is the front door open? I closed it and turned on the alarm.
How's it even unlocked?
Yo, that's weird. Yo, hold on.
Check out the doors.
Yeah, check everything. Yo, what the heck? Nah. Why was the door open though?
I don't know. It's weird.
Nah, you guys-
we were all upstairs. We were just upstairs.
Yo, hold on. That's locked. That's locked. That's locked. Locked. Come here. Check the garage door. This is locked. Yo, why was the door open though? That's kind of weird, bro. It's locked?
Yeah.
Yo, go to Kiki's room. Kiki's room. Make sure she's still there. She was sleeping. Yo, I don't know why the front door was open. Yo, check if Kiki's in there.
She's in here.
Kira, you good? Yeah?
Why did the alarm went
I
off?
don't know, baby. I'm trying to find out. You good? You were in here the whole time? Yeah? You good? You were in here the whole time? Okay. All right. Come here. Come here. Stay with your sister. You guys actually both stay in here. I'm gonna go check outside and stuff.
Okay.
It's like almost 10 o'clock, girl. Come here. Stay here, all right? Just call me if anything. I'm gonna close the door. I'm gonna go look outside.
All right.
All right. Yo, I'm not trying to panic right now. Well, I mean, I don't think anyone's in our house or anything, but that's super weird, yo. Front door was open. I don't know if I thought I closed it and I didn't, and then the wind opened it. I don't know. I'm gonna go look just to be safe. Super weird, y'all. All right, so I'm in the backyard right now, y'all. And honestly, I do think it was a false alarm because we live in a community that's super safe, gated community. I think probably the door just wasn't fully shut all the way, but still, that's always scary. I'm gonna do like a walkthrough of our backyard right now. Actually, you know what, y'all? Let me turn this light on. Yeah, I'm not seeing nothing weird, y'all. Alright, last but not least, let me check outside the front door. Alright, definitely false alarm, y'all. Super weird though, y'all. That is like, I don't know, just the front door being open a little bit like that's kind of creepy. But maybe we'd be watching too many scary movies because it's definitely a false alarm, y'all. Alright, it is what it is. Alright guys, so it's about an hour later and everyone's calm now. Complete false alarm. Everyone can't really sleep now though. Kiki's up now. She was fully done for the night. Like she was out for the count, and now with the alarm and everyone, we're just chilling. Probably gonna watch a movie. But guys, let me tell y'all something though, all right? So y'all seen, or I told you guys, I showed you that I removed the scabs today. And that's not the only reason I'm happy. One of the main reasons I'm actually happy.
It's because you look better.
Yeah, that is, I do look better, all right? I don't have these nasty scabs on my head. But probably more importantly is
you can
I think you're just guessing.
wash your hair kind of normal.
Okay, that's another good thing, but that's not it either. The thing I'm most excited about, y'all.
It's doing videos still.
Kira, I've been doing videos the whole time I had the surgery. All right, so the reason, y'all, if Kiki is done guessing, the reason I'm so excited is because I finally get to sleep normal, y'all. It has been the craziest 11 days of sleep, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly why. Number one, I had to sleep with this neck pillow, right, to protect like the grafts and to stop me from turning over, which was super uncomfortable. A very uncomfortable neck, stiff neck pillow. What?
He sleep with his mouth open.
But guys, that's not even the worst part, all right? The worst part is that I was really worried that I was gonna touch my new hair grafts, that I was gonna touch the scabs in my sleep, because I actually woke up one time touching them really gently, and there was no harm. But I woke up touching it, so I started panicking that I'm gonna be doing damage in the night when I'm sleeping, just not even thinking about it while I'm sleeping, touching this hair surgery and messing it up. So I started tying my arms up at night, y'all. So the last 10 nights, I've been sleeping with my arms tied. Yo, you were like dying laughing when I told you, bro.
Show them what you showed me, right?
All right. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how this went down. So first, I'll be sleeping in a long sleeve shirt. So first thing I'll do is go like this. I'll put my sleeves inside. Okay, then I'll tuck my shirt into some shorts or pants. Then I'll have Keisha wrap a bed sheet around me. So I'm literally tied up like this in the bed. And then what will happen is I'll wake up in the middle of the night like this. So I'll be like this. So I'll wake up like I couldn't go to the bathroom.
Show them the arm part you showed me, like up in the air.
Okay, so one time,
Poop in your pants.
I did not poop in my pants. So one time, I tried to get out. I was like, I think in my dream, I thought I was like kidnapped or like suffocating. I don't know what I thought. When I woke up in the night, I was like, and I was like that. And Keisha's like, yo, you good? Like, what are you doing? So anyways, guys, I'm most excited that I don't have to sleep tied up anymore. I get to sleep normal. Meryl's extremely happy, bro. You're more happy for me than I am for me.
I want to say that, but I'm happy because I get to do fun stuff soon.
Yes, I'm almost back, bro. Jet skis, bike rides.
You already know everything.
Everything. We're almost back. We're almost there.
Yes, sir.
I can go on a bike ride in like probably one more week, okay?
So then tomorrow?
Tomorrow's not one more week, like 7 more days, all right?
No.
7 more days isn't even that bad.
7 more days is not bad. It's really quick, Kiki. All right? All right, T-Squad, it is the next morning in the vlog. And Callie had this big idea to get up at 5 a.m., all right? We woke up at 6 a.m. instead. And look how tired she is. Girl, there's no way you could have got up at 5. What's up, Bougie? You did? And then you went back to sleep?
Yeah, because you didn't come up.
Okay, all right. And unfortunately, Kira woke up sick today. Bougie, yes, girl, we see you. What's up, Bougie? Kira, what happened, girl? How'd you wake up so sick? Bruh, her cough is really bad, y'all, so she's gonna stay home. Bro, how you feeling this morning, my guy?
Tired, bro.
Wow, you gonna leave me hanging, bro? You good though?
Yeah.
So Callie, why did you want to get up early? What's the big plan?
To go to Starbucks before school.
So guys, Starbucks has this new drink that Callie experimented, and it's not even on the menu, y'all. It's on a secret menu. I can't lie, it's super fire. So she wants one before school. We're gonna go there this morning and we're gonna show you guys about the secret drink, and then y'all can try to get it for yourselves, and you can try it and let us know if y'all like it as well. So we're gonna head there in a few minutes. Let's get it. Oh, but my baby's sick. Oh no. Oh no, Kira, don't worry. The medicine's gonna start working soon, okay? Yo, someone needs to give Bougie some attention, bro.
Callie put on the couch.
Oh my gosh, Bougie. And guys, yo, Nala's different. Like, Nala's just waiting. Yeah, she's just waiting for someone. Is she sleeping right now? I thought she's waiting for me to pet her. She's awake. You guys, she just waits. She's like, who's gonna pet me? Who's gonna pet me? Hey, girl. Oh Oh man, you're cute, all right, y'all. So we got good and bad news. The good news is we at least got something, but the bad news. What was that?
I'm cold.
Y'all, this location, they didn't know how to make the special Valentine's Day drink, which is crazy. How did the last location know how to make it perfect?
But I'm fine because the last one I got it.
You're fine with it?
And I just got my local drink.
All
Where
right.
I say refreshment with no inclusion.
All right. Kira, what'd you get?
Frappuccino.
Frappuccino. Kira, what'd you get? Some tea to make you feel better. Aw. Tea, all right?